What up, YouTube? I'm Kaya.
And I'm Meona.
And as you can already tell by the title, we're going to start this YouTube channel off with a Would You Rather challenge. And as you already know, we like to, spice things up. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Mukbang edition.
Yes, sir. We got all the good. And right now, I'm going in on some of this shit.
Okay, this is the first question. It say, would you rather go bald or have a pushed back hairline? I'm just go bald.
Yeah, I'd be bald.
Anybody
Might as
talk
well
about
go
me?
ahead and get my shit combed off. All of it. You did. Alright. Kiss a frog or a lizard?
A frog.
I'd probably kiss a lizard. One of the little green lizards. Them bitches harmless. They barely even got teeth.
What a frog gonna do to you?
A frog? That shit nasty as fuck. First of all, if they piss on you, you get the little warts and shit. So just imagine if you can kiss that bitch. Nah,
True.
I'm good on that. I'm good.
I said just raw though. My bad.
I'm good on that.
Okay, say, would you rather go to jail for the rest of your life or repeat the same day over and over again? I can repeat the same day over and over again, but it gotta be a good day.
No matter what it is, I repeat the day. You can make that day better and better. You can adventure that day. You can win money off it that day. You can be a billionaire, but you'll still be repeating that day.
Exactly. So I
Either way it
still
goes,
repeat
it
that
keep
day.
getting better.
Yeah.
You know what to do. All right. It says, would you rather know you're going to die or when you're going to die?
No, how? Isn't that how you're going to die or when you're going to die?
What I said.
I don't know. Come on.
That's what I thought I said. Know how you're going to die or when you're going to die. How I'm going to die.
Yeah, I'd rather say how, because I know when I'll be paranoid.
Yeah. I mean, but if you know when, you know that shit coming. But if you know how,
I'd rather
you
know
could probably
how.
prevent it.
No,
it
you
might
cannot.
be preventable.
No. I don't
If you,
think so.
what you mean? That's just like you get in the car wreck and you die.
So what you think you gonna do? Stop driving in cars? You could be walking and get hit.
No, but deja vu. You don't think deja vu is real? You'll get some deja vu. Yeah, be like, oh shit, I'm feeling it.
I'd rather know how, not when. Cause when you know when, say somebody told you was gonna die today, you'll be paranoid all fucking day, wouldn't it?
I just stay in the house.
The only benefit behind you, what that mean? A plane can crash into your house. I guess.
I'll be at my own comfort in my crib.
Okay, would you rather lick the toilet or your job floor? I lick my toilet because I clean my toilet, so.
Lit what?
The toilet? Like
your toilet?
Your toilet.
My toilet?
Or your job floor.
Or my job floor.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's both of them bitches nasty.
Exactly. But you clean your toilet, so it's your toilet.
That's still nasty.
Oh.
I would lick the toilet.
Exactly, it's the floor.
Y'all ain't say what part of the toilet.
They didn't, exactly.
Alright, yeah, we good.
Alright. Good of this one. But you be eating up? Oh, no.
Girl, would you rather me cheat and we get back together or just me break up with you?
Break up with me.
Yeah, you just have to break up with me. Because if you cheat on me, I'm
getting back together.
gonna beat the fuck out your ass.
Anywho.
I ain't mean to say that.
Yes, you
I don't
do.
condone violence.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Okay, would you rather be homeless together or be homeless broken up?
Homeless and what?
Would you rather us be homeless together?
Or
homeless broken up, like you homeless on your own?
I mean, we can be homeless together, but shit, that's your choice.
Well, look, that'd be oh my goodness.
Either way it go, I'm gonna be homeless.
True. Don't matter.
Right.
But then we can help each other too. Maybe
That's
easier to
what I'm
help each other. Alright.
So it's up to you. Okay, it says, would you rather pee every time you sit down or poop every time you stand up? As in when you go to the restroom?
No. Every time you sit down.
Every time you sit down. Or pee every time.
Or shit every time you stand up.
I had to piss every time I sit down. Cause you know what I do? I invent some shit. But when I pee, I have my something wrapped around right there. Every time I sit down,
Something
it
like
just
that,
drain
I
right
invent.
there. But there it is. I got it.
But yeah, I said pee every time I sit down. So you shit, and you stand up. You might not be near a shower at the bathroom to clean yourself off.
You gonna be
Before you
shitty
sit
as
down.
fuck.
Right? And you gonna
be
sit
thinking
back in your
it's a
shit.
They gonna be like,
Okay, say, would you rather stay with me or cheat for 200 mil? I'm gonna cheat because I'm cheating for a good reason. So when we get back together, we got 200 mil. Right? You gonna know I'm doing it for a good reason. And then we're gonna be rich together.
for 200 mil. 200 mil. Actually, you're right. I'm gonna cheat on your ass.
Exactly.
I just realized 200.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go ghost on your ass. Actually, I'm just playing. We got 400 million. You know, once we both cheat on each
Nah,
other.
that's fucked
What
up.
you mean?
Y'all see how he is?
All right, it says, would you rather go to jail for 3 years or not talk to me for 3 years? Go to jail for 3 years or not talk to me for 3 years?
It depends what type of like facility I'm gonna be in.
Right?
Right?
I'm not gonna go to no jail.
So you're not gonna talk to me? You're
I'm
ready
not
to choose
gonna go to no jail.
So right now, today, somebody came up to you and said that you just gonna not talk to me for
You
3
think I'm
years?
gonna go to jail for 3
Well,
years?
that means he not my soulmate for
You think
real,
I'm-
man. That fake. Yeah.
You
Okay.
think I'm gonna go to jail for 3 years?
Got something for that.
3 years for what?
Got something for that.
I can still find a way to talk to
No.
your ass. The fuck you mean
No, it's like you can't talk to me at all. Like,
ain't no shit like that in real, so I ain't worried about it.
nah, he fake.
So
Get
you'll
off
go
me.
to jail? You'll go to jail for 3 years?
Yes.
What?
It's just 3 years. You weak as
Just
fuck.
3 years? I'm good on it.
You fake. That's so fake. Be over. Oh, I'm sorry. Would you rather? No, hold on. Let me ask the other ones. Would you rather work for the garbage people or the poop people? Garbage people.
Garbage, but they make bank. Boy, I don't give a
hell
fuck.
yeah.
I go work from them right now.
Swear to God. I be sleep on her. I don't swear to
there.
God, 'cause I won't work for them right now.
Dumping that trash in there, bitch. Next. It said, oh damn. It said, would you rather take a bullet for your best friend or your boyfriend or your best friend?
In that case, we over.
Yeah, in that case.
You go first.
I go first. You go first.
No.
I asked the question.
Go.
What you mean? I asked the question. You go first. It's usually how I go. So you answer the question first.
Hey, you been riding for me, but my best friend been riding for me for a long time. She gonna always ride for me, so.
Now that I know that you're feeling that way, I'll probably say my best friend too.
So you was gonna choose me at first?
Yep.
You lying.
That's where I was. But best friend it is.
Cause don't nobody know what your true intentions is with me. Alright, you're on the phone.
I get. Who turn it is? My turn? My turn. Run it up. Pull the whole damn seal.
Would you rather slap your grandma for 200,000 or kill your best friend?
I just had to slap my grandma.
Yeah.
I'm not finna kill nobody.
No, 200,000. That ain't
Yeah,
nothing.
y'all, that's fucked up. Y'all want me to slap my grandma. Like, damn. My grandma been doing good at potato salad, boy. What? Good. What? Swear, boy, good ass food here, boy. Whoa, suck dick and let your mama die. Damn, I should have known one of these questions was gonna pop up. I should have known that question was gonna pop up. Why I had to pop up?
I'm gonna suck some dick.
I ain't sucking no dick.
So you gonna let your mama die?
I ain't sucking no dick. Sorry, Mom. I ain't sucking no dick.
It's real.
You want me to suck dick? Fuck no.
As soon as you do that, you're gonna be single.
I ain't sucking no dick, period. What are you great to get a fuck.
That's a good one.
Look at this shit, y'all. Buzz.
Okay, this one say, would you would you rather have all boys or all girls?
All boys.
It depends how many. It was like, if it was like 8, I say girls. But if it's like 2, then I say boys.
Nah, I need all boys. I can't even imagine somebody trying to take my baby girl.
Okay.
Or somebody trying to fuck with them. It's just me and this 8 of them. Let me get all niggas. I can train them boys right. Beat up whoever the fuck. And they all brothers. It's like a whole gang right there. You want to try one of them niggas right there.
So even if it's only 2, you still choose all boys?
Nah, at that point it don't matter. I'd probably choose a girl.
Okay, go ahead.
Richard Millie Plank. Whoa. It says, would you rather let me eat you to survive, or eat me?
I'd rather eat you because then I would be suffering from you trying to eat me. But really, we can eat each other.
Shit.
So either basically your survival or mine.
I'll let you eat me.
Bro.
I'll kill myself though, real quick. You better be real proportional when you eat me.
What you did? I ain't think about. I ain't think about that.
If I die for no reason.
Okay, it's juicy. Okay.
I'm trying to get to the bottom.
Would you rather be hairy everywhere or go ski ball? I'd rather go ball.
Ski ball?
Yeah, like
hairy.
it would be hairy.
Man, your ass gonna look like Bigfoot, especially me. Tall ass nigga, hairy as fuck. Yeah, nah.
Scaring everybody.
Holy shit!
It's
The legends are real.
Right.
Nah, I'm good. I be bald.
Me too. I be
Cover
bald.
that shit out my hood on all damn day.
I can wear scarves. I just keep me some big ass hoop earrings in my ear. I'll be straight.
Ooh, shit.
There's
Bitch,
2 more questions, y'all.
2 more. Time to go.
Huh. You know where?
It says this one or this one?
The top one.
It said, would you rather kiss a foot or an ass?
A foot.
A foot. Then kiss no ass. Girl, you funny.
No, you.
Funny.
Anywho, this last one say, would you rather eat crab legs for the rest of your life or hot wings? I'm gonna choose hot wings. Even though that'll fuck my stomach up, but I
No
choose hot
cap.
wings.
I choose crab legs. That's the healthy choice. You gonna be dead as fuck eating all them damn goddamn hot wings.
I'm gonna be eating once a day.
And
like
you gonna have
that.
bad acid reflux.
So,
Your ass gonna be throwing
But
up
look,
everywhere.
something could happen to the water and now all the crabs infected and you still gotta eat the crab legs.
Okay, they could be buffing the goddamn chicken up with goddamn more steroids. Give it the chicken the coronavirus or some shit, something extra.
Okay, either way, we both gonna end up dying.
No, but mine is the healthy choice. No,
I don't care.
pescatarian.
I like my real meat, fucking crabs.
That is real meat.
But it's too much. It's too hard to eat. Like a wing, you just go in. Crab legs, you gotta do too much work.
True.
All right, but
Either way, both of that shit, boys.
handle. So yeah.
But yeah. Hey, as you knew, that was the last question, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. And you know, stay tuned in, subscribe. Comment. Make sure you hit the bell too.
Yeah.
Every time we post a video, you know,
your mommy, your auntie, your cousin.
Straight fire. You know, we come
Period.
straight everything. You know? Yeah.
I'm on the list.
And you on the list. And if y'all haven't checked out her channel yet, go down and check her shit. It'll be in the link.
Description.